Hello, everyone. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite things in the world food. Specifically, I want to talk about my absolute favorite dish. It's something that always brings a smile to my face and makes my taste buds dance with joy. My favorite food is pizza. I mean, who doesn't love pizza, right? It's a classic dish that comes in so many delicious varieties. Whether you like a simple cheese pizza, or you prefer loaded toppings like pepperoni, mushrooms, and bell peppers, there's a pizza out there for everyone. What I love most about pizza is its versatility. You can have it for lunch, dinner, or even as a midnight snack. It's perfect for parties, gatherings, or just a cozy night in with a good movie. The combination of gooey cheese, tangy tomato sauce, and savory toppings is simply irresistible. I also enjoy the process of making pizza. From kneading the dough to spreading the sauce and arranging the toppings, it's a fun and creative activity. Plus, the smell of a freshly baked pizza wafting through the kitchen is pure bliss. One of my fondest memories associated with pizza is having a pizza night with my friends and family. We would gather around each with our favorite toppings and create personalized pizzas together. It's not just about the food. It's about the shared experience and the joy of coming together over a delicious meal. Of course, I can't talk about pizza without mentioning dessert pizza. Yes, dessert pizza is a real thing and absolutely divine. Imagine a warm, cinnamon-infused crust topped with Nutella, fresh fruits, and a drizzle of caramel sauce. It's like a slice of heaven on a plate. In conclusion, pizza holds a special place in my heart and stomach. It's more than just a dish. It's a comfort food, a celebration food, and a source of happiness. Whether you're a fan of traditional flavors or you like to get creative with your toppings, there's no denying the deliciousness of a good slice of pizza. Thank you for listening to me talk about my favorite food. Now I'm craving a slice of pizza, so I think it's time to indulge in a cheesy, mouth-watering delight.